I hadn't visited Korea in a long time. After living abroad for so long, my homeland Korea didn't seem all that different to me when I returned. The first thing I did in Seoul was host a potluck meetup. I made a very special kimchi for my readers. My first stop was Namdaemun Market to buy some stuff for the meetup.
어떻게 만든 거 좀 보여주세요.
네, 말씀드릴게요.
Sweet red bean. We put some sweet red bean there.
Red bean inside. Real banana. Fresh. Cream.
Cream? Whipping cream.
Yes, whipping cream.
Wow, pretty.
시럽. 초코, 스트로베리, 블루베리, 앤
초코.
초코.
초코 syrup.
시럽.
I feel weird because this is the fish mouth. It's kissing my fish. 이거 누가 발명했어요?
제가요.
진짜?
네.
Napkin, maybe green color.
그러나?
2,000원? 왜 이렇게 비싸요?
싼 거죠.
롯데보다 더 비싸네.
그렇죠.
이게 10개씩 들었던데 그게. 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯 개. 이게 5개밖에 안 들었잖아요.
우리가 도매상 내는데 소문이
예. I found the plastic basins there.
이거 얼마나요?
뭐 이 색깔밖에 없어요? 하얀색은 없고?
하얀색은 없고.
예.
이거 얼마나 해야 되는데?
아, 그 내가 봐야지 알아. 김치 담으려고요. 이거 그러면 초록색 하고 이거 하고
네, 초록색고.
이게 똑같은 사이즈인가?
예.
그러면 2개 10,000원에 주세요.
안 돼요.
하나에 6,000원이라며.
7,000원.
아.
여기에 6,000원.
아,
그럼 빼지 못하는 거.
알았어요.
아니, 그러면 절여가지고 하려면
예.
초콜릿도 필요하죠.
예. 어디? 예, 호텔에서 있거든요. 근데 김치를 이게 필요한데 아무데도 빌릴 데가 없어요. 딱 한 번 쓸 건데. 그래서 사야지 뭐. 수고하세요. I gotta speed up because busy. Today is a big day. Busy. This alleyway is famous for yukke. Yukke is a Korean beef tartare. So I'm going to check it out. All this alleyway, this place only lining up. I'm going to stay here and then let's taste. 번호표 하나 기다려야지. 예.
여기 제일 처음으로 왔는데
아,
그 육회를 내가 포장해 가져가서 집에서
아우,
먹으려고.
그러시려고요. 예. 여기 서울 사세요?
예. 뿌리 살죠.
예. 여기 보니까 육회골목인데 다른 데는 사람들이 이렇게 안 기다리고 하는데 여기는 이렇게 자리에 앉길래 나도 그냥 무조건 따라서 앉았어요.
그때
예.
왜 그러냐면은 다른 집이나
예.
손님이 많이 끓여 자기들 알아. 손님이. 그렇기 때문에 아무리 좋다고 그래도 선정이 안 돼 놓으면은 이불까지 선정 안 하는 게거든 지금.
그러니까 맛이 있어야지.
아 그렇지.
예. 맛이 좋다라는.
손님이 그 부글부글 하면은
예.
이런 냉장고 들어갔다 나오면 맛없어. 싸가지 가려고. 복잡하고. 그래서 오래간만에 한번 먹어보려고.
소주에다 드셔야죠. I ordered a plate of 육회, beef tartare, and also 육회 bibimbap. This is a pear. Sweet and chewy and sesame oil, lot of sesame oil. That's delicious. After eating delicious 육회, I went to the market to buy ingredients for kimchi making. So I found really great ingredients here. Let's go. 지금 이게 이쁜 배추들이 별로 없더라고요.
이게 오늘 온 건데
예.
눌러봐요.
이거 하나만 담으면 될라나? 예.
들어보든지 둘 중에 하나 들어보고.
예. How do you like that? I told you, Korean cabbage is so huge. See? But I can carry this two huge cabbage. 이거 하나 살게요. 예. 이거 하나에다가 무도 맛있게 생겼네. 잠깐. 요거 부추는 얼마예요?
3,000원에
예?
3,000원.
3,000원. 3,000원에다가 파 까는 건 얼마고?
3,000원.
뭐든지 3,000원이라 그네.
이거는 3,000원.
그다음에 무, 요 맛있는 무 하나 또 사고. 와, 이거 뭐 흙이 가득 들었네요. 이 mud. filled with mud. 맛있게 생겼네. 예.
담아드릴게요.
예, 예, 예. 오이는 얼마고요? 오이가 얼마? 3,000원. 아저씨 무조건 3,000원이네, 가격이. 예. 그다음에 18,000원? 예. 그러면은 18,000원. That means around $18. 예. 예, 예. The 아저씨 is very, very excited now because just I pick it up and then buy. I want to make him happy. 수고하세요. 또 올게요. 이걸로 김치 담으려고. 김치 저기 설탕 대신에 여기 넣어갖고 김치 소스를 만들면 맛있어. 예, 예. 아무김치고 설탕을 원래 우리가 풀 써가지고 김치 담잖아요. 풀에다가 설탕 좀 넣고. 근데 음식으로 담으면 이게 사찰 음식에서 그렇게 하고. 예. 3,000원. Let's make kimchi. 8-pound and 8-ounce cabbage. This is going to be a really delicious kimchi. So first, we gotta salt. I love this splitting sound. And then look at this, beautiful, eh? Really fresh. I'm sure that this one is so tasty and sweet. Sweet and crispy. We make this like a fresh kimchi today, 겉절이 style. I will cut it into bite-sized pieces. So this way is better. Look at that. And then cut. We need to wet this all the cabbage. Otherwise, it takes a long, long time to salt. And then my next cabbage. It's the same method. We need to make this guy really withered and well salted and flexible. Next, some seasonings and also other vegetables. And then look at the Korean radish, so heavy. You know, again, this is peak season, tasty, tasty, and very firm and crispy. Asian chives, very fresh. I like to add a lot. I see this amount. And green onion. Let's add this amount. To make kimchi, we need the garlic and ginger. Refreshing ginger smell. Actually, kitchen is so small but effective. I work like this and then I wash this. Just I don't have to work hard. And then cooking just like this from here and then take care here and take care. It really saves my time. Pound this to mince this garlic and ginger. it used to be like this amount, and then should really decrease this amount. And then we need to mix this. We have to salt evenly. This is the way. I'm making porridge with the glutinous rice flour to make kimchi paste. This is a little soupy glue so that the seasoning, smooth seasonings, to stick to cabbage. I'll make a kimchi paste. First, porridge, cool down. Add my hot pepper flakes here. The amount of hot pepper flakes, it depends on you. How spicy kimchi you like. If you like it, a lot of hot pepper flakes. And then we need fish sauce. Chop it up, this buchu and green onion. This green onion cut in the diagonally. Yes. Radish. I feel they're withered and soft. So kimchi paste, add garlic and ginger. I told you this, instead of sugar, I'm going to use this hongshi, red ripe persimmon. This kimchi paste looks so good, shiny. Let's taste. Delicious. Actually, I love this basil color. Cheap, large enough to be anything. Wash and drain 3 times. Almost done. Kimchi clean and then now drained, and everything this guy is just mixing. And then mix. Well, today is my special day, my lovely readers. All these guys are years and years follow my recipe. They came from everywhere. We do this Seoul Meetup, but they come from different provinces to meet me. This is a really great chance, even for them and for me too. I really cannot wait to see those guys. And then this is my perfect, all my passion, all my effort is melted here with my love. The kimchi made with love. So this one I'm going to leave some little bit. And for my hotel people, those guys, I told them I'm going to film here. So they allow me to do this. So I like to show them this kimchi. I'm going to keep in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and then go to my meetup. You can start eating kimchi right after making it. You don't have to wait until kimchi ferments. This is a fresh salad like a kimchi. You can enjoy all the time. You can enjoy the kimchi. My food is kimchi. I made this in the hotel.
I made this morning, so
Everybody had a great time. They brought all kinds of delicious different dishes. The old dishes you can't find outside of anywhere places, only there. Through food, I see their passion and they appreciate it. And I also appreciate it. I think I'm so blessed because I'm meeting such passionate, wonderful people through food. Through food made us so connected. So let's all of us photo. So you wanna come here? Yeah, okay, come on. Okay, thank you.
오늘 정말 좋았어요.
Thank you, Maangchi.
바이. 엔딩 크레딧. 옆에 버튼.
버튼을 눌러요.